Hello designers and creatives, welcome to my space. This is Creatives and Pasted on YouTube. My name is Son of Man, that's what they call me. So on today's video we are going to be showing you how to make an S Design Hub logo. This is a creative design group that I saw their brand logo on Facebook, so I decided to replicate their logo in this particular tutorial. So if this is the first time viewing our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share to our video and let others learn from us as well. Thank you as you do that, and then we are going to proceed into today's tutorial. So we are going to be learning how we can use Brixer to vectorize two vectors at the same time, not like how we used to do it before. So if you observe very well, you are going to vectorize this and we're going to vectorize this differently. So that's what I want to do. It may be another way to do it, but this is what I want to do in this particular tutorial. So we are going to be seeing how we can put these two vectors together, vectorize these two vectors together in just one Brixer. Okay, we are going to be covering that in this tutorial. So let's proceed. If you look and observe my sketch very well, you're going to see that I've used my grid line to align them very well for the vectorizations. Okay, if you don't understand how I make my grid line selection, I've created a video tutorial for that. You can check the description of this video to get access to the video tutorial. So I'm going to go straight into the vectorization aspect of this logo. First of all, I need to click on my Brixer and then click on my transformation and close my loop. This is the first thing to do, right? So but first of all, you need to know that you are trying to create two vectors in the particular tutorial. So the first thing, as I open this, so I'm going to drag this down here. Okay, I'm going to click, this is for transformation. Okay, if you click on that, then you can transform your Brixer loops. If you click on this last one here, you are going to position your the Brixer that you have created. So now I'm going to tap on it and then I can reposition it to anywhere I want to position it to. I've discussed this also in my tutorial video, which I tagged an introduction to PixelLab Brixer. Okay, if you want to check out that video, you will see the link of the in the description of this video as well. So I'm going to drag it down to this place and then I'm going to go to the top of the screen here, click on copy to make a copy of it. Now I'm going to drag one of them up here. Okay, because I'm going to use both of them for different vectors. So I'm now trying to show you how you can create two vectors using one Brixer opening. So now I'm going to just select one of them, which is the top one. Now I'm going to click on transformation and close my loop for it. Now I'm going to proceed with the vectorization aspect. So now I'm going to reduce my stroke to around 2, right? Now I'm going to try as much as possible to zoom it a little so I'll see clearly what I'm vectorizing. Now after this, now I'm going to go straight into the vectorization aspect. Now follow me up and see how I do that. Thank you. So after this first vector that we have created, we are going to zoom back again. Okay, and after this, now I'm going to go here and remove my stroke, reduce it to 0, and then I'm going to go to my color. Okay, I'm going to choose white color. Okay, it's not a perfect white color, so I'm going to show you the color code that I use. So this is the color code that I use. So in case you want to use it as well, just have to copy this and then type it into this. Just type it here, and after that you click OK, and you are going to get the color that I use. So this is how to get this. After this, now I'm going to tap on this to switch to the next vector. okay, which is the down one here. So now I'm going to click on the positioning to show you that this is the one I actually selected now. So the first one is there. So now we're going to go with this one to create the next vector. So now inside the same browser selection. So now after this, now I'm going to close my loop, click on my transformation, close my loop, and then go down and then select my stroke to around 2. Now I'm going to start the second part of the vector that I want to create. So I'm going to zoom in a little more here. Okay, just a little, and then I'm going to start my vector, creating my vector. Now just follow me and see how I do this now as well. So after this second part of the vector I've created, I'm going to go back again to my stroke and reduce it. Then I'm going to select the second color I want to use. So this is the brand color. I think I picked it right. So here, this is the color code. So you just have to copy that and paste it on your PixelLab, and then you're going to get the same color that I used. So you click OK, and then here we have successfully create 2 vector using just one browser open. So here I'm going to tap OK. So there is no need again to group these elements together. So you realize that the first vector that we used to create, after creating them, we have to group them together as one object. But now the vector that we have created with one browser open, so we can create as many vectors that we want to create and then add the colors there. Then after that, we don't need to merge them together as one object. So they are already one object now. So I'm going to uncheck my grid lines and then uncheck my sketch. So now I'm going to go to the background color. So let me use this color as my background color, and then I'm going to zoom back a little. So here I have my logo. So this is how to create this logo using PixelLab. So I think it's very easy and straightforward to do, and then the vector is very perfect. So if you really enjoyed our video tutorial, please don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, share our video, turn on the notification to stay updated anytime we drop a new video like this. Thank you for watching, and then thank you for staying with me. My name is Son of Man. Goodbye from here. Namaste.